Water expands when freezes, unlike other substances. Usually, when something is exposed to cold, it shrinks. This is because of the amount of vibration. The more vibration, the more space it takes. But that reaction doesn't apply to water. Because of the bond between oxygen and hydrogen, which is an open structure with a lot of space, so when frozen, it releases energy in consequence of the new strong bonds being created, thus taking more space.
Food spoiling is a chemical change. This is because oxidation, which is a major factor of integration of materials in food. It also involves some enzymes and reactions and bacteria. Cooking an egg. Adding heat forces the egg to become solid. This is only possible through a complex system of reorganization of molecules, all brought by heat. This is a chemical fact. Thanks to the egg cannot come back to the place it was before.
Why Mars is red? The simple explanation for the red planet's color is that its regolith, or surface material, contains lots of iron oxide, the same compound that gives blood and rust their hue. Whereas the bulk of Earth's iron sank to its core when the planet was young and molten, NASA scientists think Mars' smaller size and weaker gravity allowed it to remain less differentiated. It does have an iron core, but abundant iron exists in its upper layers also.
Coke and Mentos. This is a physical change because it releases carbon dioxide before it starts foaming. This happens because when the Mentos are added to the Coke, it reacts as a nucleation site. It allows carbon dioxide bubbles to form and cause the fountain effect. There was an experiment made where they added 11 Mentos to 2 liters of commercial carbonated beverages. The direct sodas were the ones that made the higher fountain, following sugar sweetened sodas, then sweetened water.
Mercury in its liquid form. Because of the behavior of the valence electrons, mercury has a low melting point, is a poor electrical and thermal conductor, and doesn't form diatomic mercury molecules in the gas phase. Basically, it's because mercury is bad at sharing electrons. The electrons in a mercury atom are bound more tightly than usual to the nucleus.